Hello dear SPEC viewers. Today we are carrying some seats and maybe repairing some rust. I don't know how to weld. We will see how it works.
Today we will try to take care of the rust in his Civic after all these years. And I will today I have a package from Japan, package of stuff for Civic. Oh, good stuff. We have a Japanese beer here with Rimonka, very good. We have this makes your car so much faster. We have cup holder straight from Okinawa, so I can drink my beer while driving. And we also have this carbon fiber like mirror shades from Tokyo. All quality stuff.
I didn't see that. Whoa, that's some fancy ass homosexual adapters.
Yes, this cost like 40 million yen.
Oh shit, yeah, it's very fucking speed.
It's very speed.
Very speed. Come on, I'll show you welder. Don't trip over anything. This is our beer from May. This is David's original pivo beer, flavored with tequila desperados. And also, oh god, I am socialized Pomeranian out Zalmai Nauko 0.0% because we promote sober lifestyle. Yes.
Now we promote sober driving.
No sober driving, only sober lifestyle. It's very good welder. MiG 250 Synergy MP1114 MiG, Meg, TIG, MMA, Flax, uwaga.
You will use this today, yes? To fix the whole rust in the car. I will show you our future project. Here's Wydech from Harley'ek.
It's not this Wydech from Harley'ek.
Oh.
It's this two Wydechs from Harley'ek. These two Wydechs from this Harley'ek.
I can show it right now.
Okay. It's, I don't know if you can see, it's fucking empty inside. And we can also take out the DB killers. Silencers, yes.
So Wuja's plan is to weld it.
Come on, I will show. Doesn't it look great?
We gotta cut it short a little.
Katakana.
A little shorter.
No,
Wait,
katakana.
I show from
What is
side.
it called?
I show from side.
Shakotan. Shakotan katakana. My friend.
Yeah.
No, but look. It will look fucking great. Like this or like this.
Twin exhaust.
No, this no exhaust, this exhaust. It will be so fucking good.
Yes.
A little bit dense because we had to prepare it for suspension in Civic.
Yes.
Very good, it will be very good. You see, normal.
Completely normal to have this in Civic.
Normal. Oh, you can adjust volume. I didn't know you can adjust volume here. You can slide this like those California scents, you know, this California smrody, this scents for the car.
Yeah.
You can adjust with the vents, you can also adjust loudness of your fucking Civic.
Where I need pivko, I'm dying of course.
Okay.
Somewhere in there. Oh, it's supposed to be my cup with hamburger. Now we can go to work.
Come, I show you better welder. Oh fuck. It says wysoko je na prijaźnienie. Swarocia transformator Volto 200.
Svarochny transformator.
Okay, so Vuya is hyping himself up for the work. I wanna see if I can get rid of the like the black plastic around my registration plate, because it's bothering me. I want it gone. So I will keep you updated on that.
You have to listen to some fucking royalty-free shit music because of YouTube. I don't like it.
But my YouTube short that used Linkin Park is still not copyright striked.
Because it's short.
Yeah, but I read that you can't use copyrighted music there. And I have claim for Poe music, and they are like, it's alright, you can have this, but they still haven't found out that I'm using Linkin Park for like 75% of the YouTube short.
That's because Cheeto's not alive anymore.
Mister. Okay, update time. I have it off. It looks rough. I will try to clean it, and we will see if this will stay on. I hope it will, cause I will like it better. Vuya is trying his hardest. What you doing, sir?
If you don't have the tool for this, you can just use your hands. It works always.
Okay, we have the first update. It's a little crooked, but I'd say it looks much better than it looked, and I can always fix the angle, which I probably won't, because this is Civic, and I think it suits him. Yeah, has started his work. I also have one more job that I will do today. See this? This popped off, and I will try to tuck it in. It just bothers me. How's it going, mister? Oj kurde. What?
I don't know how to cut this shit out. This is too fucking big. It doesn't reach any fucking where. This is shit. No.
Yeah, it's working. Vuya is. Can you see? Yes, you can see. See, he's going through it.
Fine light.
He's just. He likes making things harder. Oh, your forehead was glowing so fucking much because my exposure, I put it on the wrong end of scale, and you were shining. Okay, I have good news and I have bad news. Good news is I fixed it. There's no more material coming out of there. Bad news is I somehow fucked up my how do you call this? I fucked it up. It doesn't wanna stay on, you know, you see this? And I can just press it in, and it's not really good for changing gears anymore. Today is Sunday, so I won't get a new one. So for now, since we're tape spec, I'm thinking of putting tape on this, on the thread, and this is like the spongy tape, and it will have to last till my new gear shift knob comes in, I guess. Unfortunately, it doesn't really work because the thread fell in, so I'll just need to order a new one. maybe like type R styled, like you know, the silver ball. But this was very comfortable and pretty gay. For now, let's tackle these boring looking gas pedals. I mean, boring looking pedals. Buya is making some adjustments to his balls. What do you say, mister?
Fuck this shit, don't buy Civic. Never, ever, don't buy Civic.
Buy Civic, just be prepared that it's gonna be for a year.
Yes.
I wonder how it sounds when you drive with this. How is it gonna sound when it's this big? I wonder if...
It's gonna be fixed today.
You know what we should do before you fix it? We should take like... You said you have like old phone in your home, yeah?
Ain't no fucking way.
Yeah,
I'm fixing this today.
we should stick camera down there and do POV drive.
Next time, the smaller hole under my foot. No,
POV, you are a mouse. And
no, I want to fix it today to prove myself. So
Mister,
like
your home is 3 minutes away from here.
I know. I know.
Is this copyright free music?
No.
Mister. So, it's been like an hour. I've installed these two. I don't have screws for this one. I don't really know why. But now I'm gonna install the screws back on for the gear shift knob. And today I was gonna install this, which I'm not really gonna do, because if I am to paint the mirrors tomorrow, this would be pointless. I would just waste this. And let's see how Vuya is doing. Oh no, my E from SPEC is gone, Vuya. You will have to fix.
What?
You'll have to fix my sticker.
Oh no. Too bad.
Our merch is really good quality. It's
Yes,
just,
it's
próbnik.
It's próbnik. It's preview
Yes, we're just testing
things.
horizons.
Yes, it's for testing, and you see the E is gone, so we need to make some adjustments with the company
Yes,
that's printing this for us. Yes, so before official merch, we need to do some testing. It's, you know how it works.
Yes. Let's show them what you are doing.
Oh shit!
This
No.
is our. Besides, I'm out of pivka, so I will need to grab a second one. What is this, Vuya?
This is blaszka.
Blade.
It's gonna be, this blaszka is gonna be essential part of my Civic's floor. Now I'm trimming it down to size, so I can butt weld this, not lap weld. Like this.
Any changes inside? Ah, yes, Vuya took off his
Yes,
side skirt.
I took off my skirt, and now my balls are out, so it doesn't melt while I'm attempting to weld this shit on. Yeah, a little bit crunchy, but not too bad.
Yeah.
If I really want to, I can probably leave
I think
this
it's
car.
called seals, I don't know. But his seals are crunchy where mine are gone.
No, not seals, it's...
SILLS, seals.
I don't know, it's not animals. Not Animal Planet, it's TVN Turbo. No Animal Planet, seals, seals no.
Let's see here. It's a bit cleaner, I think. I don't know. I don't know, Vuya.
I don't know, I don't want to do it anymore.
You didn't want to do it since we came here.
I didn't want to do it 2 weeks before I bought the Civic.
So Vuya has like over a month of MOT, and he decided that he wants to fix his car for the MOT. And if it doesn't pass the MOT, he said he might as well sell it.
If you're on the market for a cheap Civic, 3000 PLN, very good. All you have to do
Mister,
is
this is
put,
no cheap for Civic.
all you have to do is put some floor in. Give me a call. I can swap for I don't know, Rover.
You can swap for Civic that has 1 year of przegląd, MOT.
Yes, yes. It can be worse, but 1 year MOT. And 1 year of fucking insurance. And I give you 2 weeks of MOT and 1 month of insurance.
Just give
Win-win
him one.
situation. You have less to do. You have only podłoga, only floor. It's 3 things like this. This one, a little bit bigger one, a smaller one, and not even one.
Anyway, if you do not really legit MOT, you can contact us. We can have partnership, long-term partnership. My father has T4 Caravelle. He also needs MOT. Okay, so I'm in my car and I was gonna install this cup holder, but as it turns out you need to screw it in, and I don't really want to make holes in my car. Besides, it's pretty big and it doesn't fit anywhere. I could have it here, but then I could use it when I had no passenger. There was no place for it anywhere there because these surfaces are rounded and it needed to sit flat. So I just decided that I'm gonna 3D print the cup holder that goes there, but I have only white filament, so I'm gonna have to paint it black. The car pedals are there. They are sitting. I also installed these and they are they're sitting well. They're not falling off, at least for now. I will keep you updated. So yeah, that's it for now for my car. This is it for today. I'm leaving, I'm going home, and Kuba said he's not leaving till he welds this one whole shop, so I'm gonna be leaving him here for now, but he's almost done. Show them what you got, man.
Nah, this looks like shit. I don't know how to fucking weld. It's my first time doing this shit. It doesn't want to stick together. There's more holes. There's more holes now than when I started.
Say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye, everybody.